In this video, we will see how to post journal entry document in SAP S4 Hana. So for this, we can use multiple transaction codes to post journal entry document. So let's go in the SAP menu and we are going to post journal entry document. So let's go to accounting tab, financial accounting, journal ledger, document entry. So these multiple transaction codes are available to post journal entry document. So I am using the first one, FP50. So basically it is a enjoy transaction where we can debit and credit multiple journal ledger accounts in the same screen. So I am going to post one journal entry document where I am debiting the expense and credit the cash account. So you can see I'm going to debit the salary expense and credit the cash account. So this is a cash account. So I'm going to post this with 25,000 amount, 25,000 debit and credit. So document date is 29 October test. So I'm going to stimulate this transaction. So we can also change the company code from here, but I'm using my own company code HA01. So let's stimulate this. So this is the entry generated by the system. So I have not yet posted this document. So you can see SAP is using the posting key to debit the salary expense and credit the cash account. These both are general ledger account. So let's post this transaction. We can also park the transaction and post it later. So let's go and post the transaction. So you can see document number is generated by the system. So you can also display document from here. So this is the document number. So you can also see the general ledger view of the transaction. So it is posted in the leading ledger 0L, and I have also assigned the non-leading ledger T1 to the company code. So simultaneously system is doing the parallel accounting and posting all the transaction in both the ledgers. So let's go back and try to post the journal entry document using another transaction code. So I'm going to use this F-02. So if I'm posting to one ledger group, if we want to post to only specific ledger group, we can use this transaction code. So I'm going to use F-02. So here we can also post the journal entry document. So I'm going to debit my expense account. So here you can see multiple posting keys are available. I'm going to use the 40, which is used for debiting the general ledger account. So this is account type, which is general ledger, and this is debit and credit indicator. So I'm going to debit my salary account. So I'm going to give salary expense, and this is 12,000. So and sell I'm going to give the text salary expense test and credit my cash account, which is, let's go here. So I'm going to credit the cash account. So we can also use star and plus sign here. So system will automatically pick the entries we posted in the previous screen. You can also see from here I am going to stimulate this document. So system automatically pick the amount and text from the initial document. So this is for cash, this is for expense. So I'm going to pause the transaction. You can also display from here. So this is the debit and credit. So let's go and check the general ledger account. So I'm going to check the general ledger reporting. Document entry. So I'm going to use the transaction code FPL3N. It is used to display the line item display of general ledger account. So I'm going to execute the transaction. So you can see these both are the documents I've just posted. So this is document numbers 2 and 3. So this is the document type, and these both documents are posted by the system. So that's all for this video.